in today's episode. Welcome to beautiful Liwa, everybody! We're heading to beautiful Al Dhafra region in Abu Dhabi, hoping to capture a stunning shot and win this intense photo competition. خلاص؟
خلاص.
يلا, let's go! Will we capture a winning photo or will we fail? In the previous episode, we traveled across the country in search for the perfect shot. We went to Korfakan.
It's a heritage village and we can take amazing photos here.
And now we've finally made it here to beautiful Al Dhafra region. My God, this place is so beautiful, it will make you religious. This is day 3 of our wild photo adventure. Let the challenge begin. Episode 3. Alright, our third day of this intense photo competition started 4 a.m. in the morning on the other side of the country. We left the beautiful hotel behind and hit the road running. We are back at it again. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Day number 3. Let's go kill it. Time to make the best photo, the winning photo, and make the money. Let's go. You ready, Kim? Woo! Maha, ready? Yes, yes. Yeah, let's go! I don't know why we're yelling. We're all very sleepy and tired. It doesn't look like this. Trust me, we're very, very tired. Let's go! Alright, Maha, we found our victim. Alright guys, so we found our next victim. We took the guy from his work and we asked Arbab if we can use him. Arbab said, use my farm, use him if you want. We have kandura, we'll put the kandura on him. First shoot of the day, let's try. Too much good, perfect. We were lucky to find this incredible farm and the handsome model to pose for us. Kandura has worked perfectly on him, and the light was just amazing early in the morning. We started working right away, before the light became too harsh. First shoot of the day, let's go. Guys, how are you, boys? Woohoo! How are you? Keep it hard! And here are some photos we managed to take. Alright guys, good morning. We found location number 3, beautiful, beautiful farm. We're gonna try to take some more beautiful photos in this beautiful farm, beautiful palm trees. It's gonna be amazing. Let's go, let's give it a try. This farm was incredible too, and the light was still very soft. Our shoot was going smooth so far. Lately I've been on my knees looking for the answer. Kim, real quick, how's it going so far today?
It's going so good. We are so happy with the shots. We got amazing models working and we got the best shot you could imagine.
Woohoo! Good luck to us, Kim.
Yes.
Maha, how's it going today?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah,
you
we
happy?
found a nice farm, very clean farm with arbab. Oh, yeah, it was good.
Happy with the shots?
Yeah.
Good luck to us. Good luck to us. Let's go. So this is farm number 2 for today. Day number 3, farm number 2. So the way it works, I just barge in. Assalamu alaikum guys, I want to shoot. I'm from Visit Abu Dhabi, working with the government.
It's a total fabrication.
The thing is, they don't understand what we're saying. I don't understand what they're saying, but we make it work. Little broken Arabic, broken English. It's all going to work.
April 6, 2020, I'm not buying what you're making. Out here living in a world that's crumbling, where everybody's faking.
Alright you guys, location number 2 is done. This farm was amazing, really beautiful and clean. Arbab helped us. We asked him to put kandura on because he had his own kandura. And yeah, we got the shots. Now we're moving on to location number 3. Let's see if we get some good shots. Arbab, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You are very helpful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Assalam, have a good day.
I must have been searching.
Alright you guys, farm number 3. We found a guy here working all by himself. So we asked him to put kandura on and we're taking some photos. He's a little cranky because it's way too early in the morning, so he doesn't really want to do it. Assalamu alaikum, kif al-hal? How are you? So the girls are trying to get the shots. Let's see if it's working. So we found yet another incredible palm tree farm on this beautiful morning, but we ran into a little problem. This particular farm keeper was either too lazy or too sleepy to help us out. Thoughts? Not working? You guys lazy?
Yeah.
We always pay the farm keepers and try to show gratitude for their help, but this particular gentleman wasn't up for it. Not feeling it?
Disappointed! And so these are some of the pictures we got here.
You never know when it's coming.
Well, honestly, these photos turned out to be okay, even if the guy didn't want to cooperate. We were kind of disappointed we couldn't get more shots with the guy, as he was just too lazy.
Anyway, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Now, where are we going, Kim? Tell us.
We are going in the heart of the middle of the desert of Liwa.
Wow, let's go see this amazing place. It's looking incredible. Just look at these dunes. Absolutely nuts. Woohoo! Adventure continues.
Too much Red Bull. Too much Red Bull with this guy.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light, and you feel like you got nowhere else to go. No, I hold you till the sun.
Wow, guys, we had to stop to take a shot here because the road is simply stunning. Look at this view, man. What unbelievable. It's like mountains and mountains of sand. Crazy. Kim, what is this place, Baba? What is this place? It's absolutely insane. Look at this crazy place. It's incredible. I can't believe this place exists. It's like a
When
painting.
your heart is racing at the speed of light. When your heart is racing.
How amazing is this awesome place? Wee-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Yeah, I'll keep you safe.
All right, you guys, another stop on this beautiful road. Look what we discovered. It's an amazing dry lake bed and we want to get some pictures with it. Let's see if we get some cool, interesting shots. The sun and the light is not ideal right now because it's really harsh, but we couldn't care less. Honestly, this place is outstanding. Kim, look at this place.
Oh, it's crazy, it's crazy.
What a crazy, beautiful place.
This is the good thing about exploring, huh? You find
Yes.
out about,
Different locations like this, huh?
yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light.
Wow, wow.
When your heart is racing.
And I just got in the water. Oh my God. I went in the water. Woo, it's salty. This is absolutely crazy. I just got my feet wet in the salty water. It's itching like crazy. The crust on top is kind of thick, but then if you are too heavy like I am, you're gonna go through. Both of my feet went through. It's amazing.
This incredible place couldn't get any more beautiful. Honestly, it's paradise on earth out here. We just couldn't stop exploring the incredible sand dunes and taking photos left and right as if it was our last day on earth.
What is this place, Kim?
No, I don't know.
I cannot believe places like this exist in this beautiful world. What a crazy, beautiful, magnificent world we have. My God, this place is so beautiful, it will make you religious.
When your heart is racing at the speed of light.
Well, alright, day 3 has turned out to be a success. We've explored this beautiful place and got tons of awesome pictures. And speaking of pictures, let's see what kind of shots we got today for our competition. Well, look, these photos aren't that bad, but are they competition worthy? Are they 100,000 dirhams worth? This competition must go on until we get the winning photo. So, in the next episode,
4 a.m. in the morning, the story repeats itself. You guys ready? Day number 4, let's go!
we're gonna go to the other side of the country, all the way to beautiful Alain. Tune in to see our next photo competition adventures. An adventure full of struggle.
No idea what I'm doing, honestly. I can't see the light, the sun is in my face. We're winging it. Let's go.
You have never seen us struggle like this before.
I will hang myself to a palm tree.
And this time around, we even got my wifey to put on a local abaya and pose for us.
Assalamu alaikum, my baby.
Walaikum assalam.
Looking good.
Stick around for the final day and find out if we won the competition or not. This has been Max the Sensei. Smash the like on this video and I'll catch you in episode 4.